Now, this rushing stream of new goods and services, the rushing stream that modern economies provide, keeps many of us captive to pleasures that are not worthy of us. A substitute for richer pleasures derived from deeper meaning that eludes us. We long, I think, for orchestral harmony, for pleasure of orchestral harmony. Now, if you add into this framework also a reference to God, the pleasures are going to be stabilized and also increase. I think for Christians, the ultimate framework of meaning in which to situate properly every single one of our pleasure even of breathing the air in and breathing it out, pleasure of letting your body sink on in the bed and relax. Every single pleasure has to be situated in the perception of the world as God's gift. When we talk about creation, some people think that we talk simply about how it is that the world came to be. And then contrast ends up being, oh, is it a Big Bang or is it 6 days that God created? Most important thing about creation, the act of creation that God created the world, is the fact that abidingly the world entirety that is, including ourselves, is a gift, is an expression of God's love to each one of us. Now, here's a really bold claim. I'll put it this way. An abiding experience of the world as a gift, abiding experience of it, right? Abiding experience of the world as a gift of God, of love, would be or is a single, incomparable pleasure identical with our living itself. Life itself can be one large pleasure. This is what Christians, of course, can't experience in this world because we're broken, live in a broken world, but this is the eschatological hope for which we are striving.